His father has played for Haryana. He has played for the UAE.
Something happens to Pakistan, I think, when they play against India, unfortunately.
ये जो हैंडशेक वाला ड्रामा है, मैच खेल रहे हो, सब कुछ हो रहा है, हैंडशेक करके निकलो ना यार.
यूएई में देख लो, यूएई is a mix of Indians and Pakistanis. We play together, हम लोग साथ में रहते हैं, we eat together.
India Pakistan in this World Cup might happen again. Do you want to see another India versus Pakistan?
Absolutely,
I'm not sure.
अरे This is Off the Mark episode 4. मैं हूं परीक्षित. The World Cup has already peaked. We've not even reached the Super 8 stages. The ICC pre-seeded teams don't matter anymore. Whatever they thought is not happening. Well, almost. Pakistan ki team was prepping for Abhishek, but Ishan Kishan came out of syllabus. First century of the T20 World Cup is here. Second century happened as we record this episode number 4. As usual, my regular partner in crime, Vish, on the episode. Welcome, Vish. But we got a very special guest in the studios, my brother, Sanchit Sharma, who has played for UAE, who's played for local leagues as well, and a very good fast bowler, you know, from a homegrown talent from the UAE. Welcome, Sanchit. बहुत सारी बातें होंगी इस एपिसोड में. We'll debrief the entire India versus Pakistan का episode. We'll talk about what's happening in all the groups, what's happening in the Super 8s. But अभी तक जो World Cup में हो रहा है, what do you think about that?
Absolutely, you know, there have been few upsets. You know, there has been a big talk about Zimbabwe versus Australia. Some people want to call it an upset. Some people do not want to call it an upset. But I feel Zimbabwe is actually a very underrated team. The players that they have, they play all across the world, all the leagues that they play. So they were pretty well prepped for this. And I wouldn't call it an upset. They are an excellent team and they just gave Australia what they deserve.
भाई मुझे तो बुरा लग रहा है स्टीव स्मिथ के लिए. इतनी दूर से finally T20 क्रिकेट में उसको बुलाया just to see Australia getting knocked out.
Australia have also seriously underperformed. That's another thing which we saw in both their games, even the Australia-Sri Lanka game and of course the Zimbabwe game. So they've seriously underperformed. Of course, they've been plagued by injuries. But this is not looking like the Australia side that we all know, you know. So I'm quite surprised, to be honest, because they always, for big matches, big tournaments, they always come with a fight, you know. And so it's a very big surprise as far as I'm concerned. So they've really underperformed.
Sanchit, for you right now, ठीक है, आपके हिसाब से अभी semi-finalist बताओ मुझे सीधा. Now, let me tell you about Sanchit. Why have I asked this question to Sanchit? Because his father has played for Haryana, right? His sister has played again for the UAE.
For the
He has played for the UAE. He is still playing, you know, a lot of local big leagues, international leagues with international cricketers. Give me your top 4 for the semi-finals.
India, South Africa, and West Indies. I feel, you know, people have not talked much about West Indies, but they've been doing absolutely amazing. And South Africa.
Oh, you said South Africa.
Oh, sorry.
So
South Africa, India, West
England,
Indies, and
England.
England.
Yeah.
That's an interesting pick, huh?
Ooh.
England.
So let's find out what's happening in the group stages right now. Who has qualified? Who is still hanging around the corner? All right, Group A. India has qualified. Pakistan will qualify only and only if they beat Namibia. क्या लगता है होगा?
What happens if they don't, by the way?
Then
USA goes through, then USA goes through?
USA will qualify if Namibia beats Pakistan. And Netherlands, Namibia is already out. So Netherlands will qualify if Namibia beats Pakistan plus win against India by 140 plus runs ka margin. I was prepared for this question, but that's not the point. Let's just talk about Pakistan and USA right now. Pakistan will qualify if they beat Namibia. Do you think they can beat him?
I mean, again, I will be honest, but Namibia is a bit underrated. Especially the way they performed against India. Anything can happen, and Pakistan right now is on the backhand after that defeat against India, so anything can happen.
Wait, you're telling me Namibia can beat Pakistan?
I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, I think there was so much of hype in the lead up to the India-Pakistan game, and we all know what happened in that match. So I think Pakistan's confidence has definitely taken a beating. So they will, I also believe that one of the things that Pakistan will do, and I've read some reports about this, is that there is a big call to drop Babar and Shaheen and bring in Naseem Shah and a few of their other benched players for the Namibia game. We don't know whether they will do that, but I'm guessing that it might make a difference. But anything can happen in a Pakistan game, so you never know.
Completely agree with them. You know, I think so. They should give Naseem the ball. He is not given the chance, and he has actually performed very well whenever he is given the chance. and especially right now since they are not doing well, you know, it's a good time to give somebody the opportunity.
Yet as a fast bowler, okay, I still feel for you, who would you seed in that team? For example, Shaheen Shah Afridi has been playing. Now it's a must win match. Would you change and bring in Naseem, or would you just play Shaheen?
I mean, whenever Naseem has played, he has delivered. And right now, since Shaheen is not doing the best, no doubts he's one of the best fast bowlers, premium fast bowlers, to be honest. But I feel Naseem can do something because maybe teams will not be prepared with him being involved in the 11. But if he does, he will do a lot of damage.
बात करते हैं ग्रुप बी की. वहां हो रहा है सारा ड्रामा. So ग्रुप बी में श्रीलंका has qualified already. Alright, Zimbabwe will qualify if Zimbabwe beats Ireland or Sri Lanka. As we speak, the toss has been delayed because of rains. Australia, now listen to this, will only qualify if Zimbabwe lose to Ireland and Sri Lanka plus Australia beats Oman. Australia को तो Oman को तो हरा देगी ना Australia.
बोल नहीं सकते यार.
अरे यार.
The way that they're playing.
You played with Oman cricketers,
surprising.
right?
Yeah.
How's their team?
They have actually grown. If you see recent in the past 1 year, the team has completely changed, and the new players that have come out of nowhere, actually, they have been doing exceptionally well. So again, anything can happen.
And Oman has nothing to lose because they're already eliminated, right?
Yeah,
exactly.
So they can go all crazy. 2 players from Oman to look out for.
Vinayak Shukla.
Okay.
He's not done what he has done or he's been doing, but I feel once he gets going, he can score lots and lots of runs. He performed really well in the Hong Kong Sixers as well.
Right.
So, you know, he's a bit underrated, and I feel Jitendra Singh, if he can bat through up the order, he can score massive runs.
Now let's talk about Group C. West Indies, जो मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, इंडिया में अलग ही खेलती है West Indies. Correct. And that Darren Sammy story is a proper Kabir Singh, Kabir Khan story from Chak De, right?
Yeah.
Now, West Indies is qualified already. England has qualified already. So Nepal eliminated, Italy eliminated, Scotland eliminated.
Yeah, there is one thing I want to say about West Indies over here. Last time the T20 World Cup was in India, they were the ones that blew India away.
Remember the name.
The same year. Same year.
And the coach Sammy was a part of that team, right?
Yes. And
he was a skipper. No, I think so. He was a skipper.
I think he was a part of the team for sure.
And it was also the year in which Virat Kohli scored the most runs in the T20 World Cup. I think 314 runs at that time.
We
and
miss
we
Kohli
still,
for sure.
Absolutely,
we all do.
Absolutely.
So the Windies, I mean, the way that they're playing, they can take the game away at any point. At any point.
Yeah,
That's
उसी
the
बात
thing.
तो डर है भाई. वही तो डर है कि अभी इन IPL खिला के ना हमने इनको हर ग्राउंड होम ग्राउंड एडवांटेज दे रखा है यार.
Yeah.
Right? Now let's talk about Group D. All right? South Africa has qualified.
Yes.
And now it gets very interesting. New Zealand won today. So now New Zealand is qualified as well.
Yeah.
So Group D, we've got everything ready. Group B is the only place where we're waiting, either Zimbabwe or Australia. Now that is also going to bring us to the Super 8s of India. So सबसे पहले 22nd of February को confirm हो गया हमारा पहला मैच है अहमदाबाद में साउथ अफ्रीका के अगेंस्ट.
Ahmedabad. That's the key word. Ahmedabad.
भाई फाइनल भी वहीं पे, वही तो डर लग रहा है मुझे. What do you think about that pitch?
I feel India is well prepared against South Africa. Recently they had a home series. Apna test was not the best, but at least ODIs and T20s they did very well, and T20s even better. So I think so they're very well prepared with South Africa.
All right,
South Africa also very well prepared. If you've seen the way Markram is playing and De Kock and their bowlers, Lungi Ngidi is really on fire.
And
he's in
I
top
think,
form.
but you know, history को अगर माने ICC tournaments और South Africa की, I'm not worried about that. 26th of February, Chennai. Now, Zimbabwe and India in Chennai. Turning track, Kuldeep Yadav might play again.
I feel the way Chennai's wicket has played in past, it has not played in this World Cup. It has been a bit more flatter. Especially आप जो UAE का पहला मैच देखोगे, which was against New Zealand, it was really flat. There was no purchase for the spinner, especially UAE के spinners जो 3-4 who are actually doing well. Heather Ali, he was not getting any, even though he bowled very well, but वो जो purchase है of the wicket वो नहीं मिल रहा था. This is what I've heard from people as well, saying that इस बार की चेन्नई की wicket is much more flatter. More flatter.
Correct.
Much
So
more flatter.
who would your playing 11 be? You'll still play Arshdeep? I would Arshdeep or no?
I think so. I will play with Arshdeep because experience है, and I think so. Night game है तो ड्यू बहुत ज़्यादा आएगा, and ड्यू में spinners का कोई फायदा नहीं है. The same thing that you saw against Pakistan. फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में बॉल अच्छा खासा ग्रिप हो रहा था इन
Correct.
कोलंबो, बट
Correct.
सेकंड इनिंग्स आते आते इट वाज नॉट इतना स्पिन जितना फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में था वैसा नहीं है. तो ड्यू डज प्ले अ पार्ट. सो आई फील वी विल नीड सम एक्स्ट्रा पेस.
और चेन्नई में ड्यू का तो प्रॉब्लम है ही यार.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
Exactly.
And the humidity also.
1st of March, Kolkata. This is a match I'm personally scared of. West Indies ke against. And they, again, Kolkata is somewhere they've always played for KKR as well.
Yeah.
Right? उस मैच के बारे में क्या लगता है?
आई थिंक सो दैट इज अ मैच टू लुक आउट फॉर. बट आई फील पहले 2 मैच जीत गए हैं इंडिया, तो देन दे विल नॉट हैव टू वरी मच अबाउट द थर्ड गेम. बट अगेन यू डोंट वांट टू लूज एंड देन गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेज. यू वांट टू कीप दैट विनिंग मोमेंटम गोइंग.
Yeah.
एंड वो दोनों मैच जीतने के बाद दे विल बी क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट.
Yeah.
एंड द वे हाउ एवरीवन इज स्टेपिंग अप. If in case couple of guys do not play well, other people are stepping up. That's the best thing about our team, Indian team.
Yeah.
You have stars until 11, even 15 people. जितने भी, even the bench, everyone is a big, huge star.
मेरा प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? मुझे डर किस बात का लगता है? विश जहाँ पे whenever we go unbeaten in a tournament, मुझे लगता है एक खराब गेम होना ही होना है. Law of averages. वो
नहीं
एक
यार.
खराब गेम भाई
But we
19
broke
November is a perfect
Yeah,
example.
but we
for that.
broke that jinx in 2024. No, we won all the games.
All the games.
बट डर तो अभी भी लगता है ना. एक बार हो गया लॉ ऑफ एवरेजेस में, वो एक खराब गेम हो जाए, खत्म करो.
वो तो
वैसे
हो
भी-
गया. यूएसए के साथ खराब गेम हो गया.
खराब game था
हो
वो.
गया. वो खराब गेम तो था.
I feel-
77 for 6 is not great performance, my friend.
semis
But
and semis and finals से पहले we are definitely thinking that India will reach the finals.
Absolutely.
एक सुपर 8 खराब गेम अगर होना हो, because we have to win only 2 right to qualify, is it?
बिल्कुल.
है ना. एक खराब गेम होना तो कौन सा होके निपटा है वो नजर उतर जाए वाला.
लेकिन मोमेंटम की बात भी है यार. You need to have momentum in your favor going into any specific phases of the tournament.
Yeah.
Like if you're going into the semis, you want the momentum with you.
Yeah.
You don't want to go with a loss against West Indies, and if you have a key opponent in the semis that you're coming off the back of a loss, you don't want that. You still want to showcase as much dominance over whoever your opposition is or whoever your opponent is. You want to play as good cricket right throughout till you win the World Cup.
Yeah,
absolutely.
You know,
Yeah, absolutely.
so I don't think that they should experiment too much. In my opinion, I feel like there's a chance with Washi coming in for the West Indies game because they've got a few left-handers who can really tonk the ball and they might trouble them a little bit. I think Washi coming in and giving that extra batting depth is not a bad idea. I don't see Kuldeep coming back to the 11 for some reason. वो catch drop होने के बाद उसको निकाल देगा मेरे को लग रहा है.
या वो झगड़े के बाद. Let's talk
झगड़े के
about that. Now let's talk about the India-Pakistan match. I was there. Oh my God. With stars play. 15,000 fans from the UAE traveled to Colombo to watch the match. As an Indian cricket fan, I was disappointed by the Pakistan's performance and completely neutral here because यार एक show तो रखो यार. Put on a show at least.
Absolutely.
You know, I was kind of scared and I was telling Vish as well. I was kind of scared before the match because a lot of talks were happening, a lot of mind games were happening.
Yeah.
You know, mystery bowler है. Pakistan coming off a very good series against Australia.
Exactly.
तो डर लग रहा था भाई. लेकिन ये as a cricketer who's played at that level, ये pressure situation में कैसी हालत हो जाती है? Why can't you put on a show like this?
I think so. India, talking from Indian team's point of view, they have made it very much clear that they want to take it as any other cricket match, which I feel is not the same for Pakistan cricket team.
But पता है इस बार ना, even in press conference I noticed something different, which was Surya Kumar Yadav constantly saying one thing, और वहाँ से मेरा डर शुरू हुआ था कि यार कितना भी बोल लो, it's like any other match.
Exactly. It is.
It is not.
It is not. वो तो
उसने
है.
टॉस में ये बात बोली एंड द अदर डे वी वर वाचिंग
Yeah.
द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एज वेल. उसने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बात बोली, उसने प्री मैच में ये बात बोली एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, इफ द कैप्टन इज कांस्टेंटली सेइंग इट्स नॉट अनदर मैच,
What about
यू आर
the team?
एक्नॉलेजिंग व्हाट अबाउट द टीम एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज स्कैर्ड.
I saw an interview of Ishan Kishan today morning. वो बोल रहा था कि I know it is an any other match, but you know Pakistan के against you have that
Correct.
feeling आती है.
Correct.
You have the fear, but at the same time you have that fire inside you.
Yeah,
कि you want to
that
beat
fire.
these guys. I think
I saw that as well. Yeah.
I think so. That is what separates both the team. The other team is scared of losing, and this team, they don't just want to win, they want to win convincingly.
But there's also the component of the lack of experience in the Pakistan team. Yeah. They don't know how to handle pressure. At least in India, you have a lot of people a lot of the players have played World Cups. Previous World Cup, Arshdeep has played, Bumrah has played, of course, Surya was in the previous World Cup team as well. So they've handled this pressure situation before. And if you see something happens to Pakistan, I think when they play against India, unfortunately, where they're not able to bring their A game. Like for you in the 2024 World Cup, if you see the USA, the match in New York, you had to defend 120, 119. That's what you had to chase down 119, 120, and they couldn't do that also. And we saw that in the Asia Cup as well. And then of course, yes, the game on Sunday. So there is something which is problematic for them. I will also say that yeah, they were coming off the back of that Australia victory, but look at Australia's performance in this
Exactly,
tournament.
yeah.
So which team
Yeah,
did they send to
Yeah, fair.
Pakistan?
मतलब
We don't
अब
know.
तो वो वाली बात होगी ना कि अभी दोनों में से ज्यादा खराब टीम कौन सी अभी खेल रही है,
Abhi,
right?
yeah, so you don't know exactly. So with these big occasions, I think the hype was too much, and I felt that there was a certain sense of absolute confidence, even through the press conferences when Surya was talking. I was like, yeah, they know that it's not just another game; it's an occasion, but they will go and do their thing.
I like Salman Ali Aga.
Yeah.
I like that guy because he's got a sensible head on his shoulder, and I feel जो भी हैंडशेक वाला ड्रामा है, एंड संजीत आई वांट यू टू कम इन एज अ प्लेयर, ये जो हैंडशेक वाला ड्रामा है, मैच खेल रहे हो, सब कुछ हो रहा है, हैंडशेक करके निकलो ना यार.
I completely agree with you. Yeah, you know, आपको बात नहीं करनी है, that's up to you. But
Yeah.
at least just shake your hand, show that you have come
Respect.
to play. You have
Yeah.
come to play exactly. Because you're carrying a badge over you. ठीक है, politics की बात अलग है, but then also you're presenting कितने सारे Indians.
हाँ. लेकिन मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि ये प्लेयर्स का डिसीजन है. I feel like they're out of this equation.
That is
you
to
know?
for
So,
sure. वो तो हमको भी मालूम है.
I'm
But
sure
I'm
the
saying
players want to go and shake the hands, but I don't know.
But it's
You
just
can't
that
really, yeah.
this is a different entity altogether.
I agree.
Right.
I agree.
Because UAE में देख लो, UAE is a mix of Indians
Correct.
and Pakistanis.
Correct.
Yeah.
We play together, हम लोग साथ में रहते हैं, we eat together.
Yeah.
But
USA
again,
cricket team
yeah.
as well.
Exactly,
UAE
yeah.
cricket team. Oman cricket
Canada
team
as well. So
Canada as
yeah,
well.
Exactly.
And plus, I think there's also the component of the fact that there was that entire drama about the boycott, and then when it finally got settled, you would expect that कि चलो हाथ मिला लेते हैं. I thought that was the thing
थोड़ा
that I
तुम आगे
felt.
चलो, थोड़ा हम आगे चलते हैं,
बस,
कहीं बीच
yeah,
में मिलते वाला सिचुएशन होना
That
चाहिए
should have
ना
been
यार.
the case, but I think, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know what the decision was from up.
Now, this is for everybody watching. India-Pakistan in this World Cup might happen again. And in the semis, how if in their Super 8s, India finishes at number 1 and Pakistan finishes at number 2, they'll see each other into a semi-final. But if India finishes at number 2 and Pakistan finishes at number 1, we'll see another semi-final, India versus Pakistan. Do you want to
Wow.
see another India versus Pakistan?
Absolutely.
I'm not sure.
Arre, I want to see another India versus Pakistan. I want to fly to Colombo.
After the last
again.
game, if Pakistan brings their A+ team, then okay, then it's a game to watch.
But you never know, man. That's the thing.
I
And I was
guess.
talking to all the cricketers in Colombo as well. You know, I was talking to a lot of cricketers on the comm box, and that's the thing about Pakistan. You never know.
No, anything can
That's
happen.
true. That's very
You
true about that.
on their day, हमें 10 wickets से भी हरा सकते हैं.
Exactly.
On their day, they can get all out on 107 also.
I mean, it's not just a Pakistan thing; it's a cricket thing. You know,
It's a cricket thing.
anything can happen at any time.
Yeah. So look, I don't know. Something was really looking off in terms of their body language on that day. Where, apart from I think Usman Khan, who played sort of a partially fighting innings, I didn't really see a fight from them.
Yeah, initially,
batting
I
wise,
think
yeah.
initially, okay. Honestly, that pitch was very difficult.
बिल्कुल.
When they got Abhishek Sharma, we got a little scared, and we all got a little
Yeah.
scared. उसके बाद में, to be honest, Ishan Kishan took the game away, and nobody else from Ishan Kishan performed on that pitch. Nobody else.
I have a question here. Do you think that was a pitch for anything more than 140 at best? It was not more than 140.
I
think,
feel
which is a
the
pass.
score that we got in the power play helped us carry that later
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
And then beach के आप over देखोगे, I think so around 8 to 14, 15 तक runs बहुत कम आए.
Correct.
Correct.
Yeah,
And we
scoring
lost
rate
a
was
lot
low.
of wickets. Only
Yeah.
in the end, when they brought fast ball, they were bowling with a spinner.
Yeah.
The 19th over was bowled by a
Correct.
spinner.
Yeah.
So you can tell the pitch was,
Yeah.
it was spinning and it
Yeah.
was difficult for the batters.
Even some of our overs were bowled by some part-time spinners.
भाई मैं तो मतलब वही समझने में लग गया था कि गलती किसकी है. When I watched it, then मुझे सब realize हुआ गलती संडे की है. Because सारे matches, India has now beaten Pakistan on 4 consecutive Sundays across different formats and tournaments.
और एक तो Feb 15 को भी हुआ था ना, not this Feb 15. There was a previous one tournament. I think there was
Must
a
have.
Feb 15.
Feb 14 को हुआ था.
Feb 14th or 15.
Feb 14 को था in
there was
Dubai.
a-
I was there.
Yeah.
I was there. My wife broke her fast. It was a Karwa Chauth thing,
Oh, nice.
not Feb 14. But also, when I was thank you Stars Play for sending me to the match. But मैं अब एक confusion के साथ आया हूँ भाई. And this is so crazy. When I watched, Hanuman kind of was performing. You saw? Hanuman kind of was performing.
You thought it was Ishan Kishan.
Then I saw Ishan Kishan playing. Can we have that photo on the screen right now?
Oh,
It's
man,
exactly the same.
Same.
Bro, exactly the same.
Yeah, and he gave him a jersey, right? He gave him
Yeah,
a Ishan
and then I
Kishan
saw them
jersey.
together. I'm like, what
Yeah,
is happening?
yeah, there
It's
is
crazy. Now
twinning.
let's talk about Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Nisanka, bro, that catch when he took,
Mind blowing.
yeah, that was mind blowing. But then he went and upped that as well by scoring the first ever century in this T20 World Cup, right?
Absolutely.
एक fielding effort when you take a catch, how does it reflect in your performance on bowling or batting or whatever specialist you are?
Not just your own, you know, it gives a message to the other team as well. It's a moment of silence. You know, everybody just acknowledges it, and then it stays in your mind ki this guy did that, and it stays with you for a few overs. That is when the game goes away. This is what mentality does. कि इसने इतना बढ़िया catch पकड़ा है, and then you're still in awe of that.
Correct.
तो 4-5 over निकल जाते हैं इतने में, and then the game moves.
But then how does the opposition try to tackle that type of a situation? You know,
Now-
like how do you get over that and move on and do what you're supposed
This
to
is
do?
what I really like about Australia. They are actually winners.
Yeah.
उनके team में they are winners. That is how they end up winning World Cups.
Yeah.
They know the mantra. They know the successful way of winning, even after they are down completely. आप अगर 2019 World Cup की बात करोगे, you know, they were completely down and about.
Yeah.
From there, they went on to win the World Cup.
Correct.
This is one player can literally change.
2023 World Cup.
Sorry, 2023 World
Yeah.
Cup. 2023 World Cup. You know, a small, just one player can change the game.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, but can you imagine? इस बार वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया दिख नहीं रही भाई. They lost
नहीं.
from 104 for no loss in 8.2 overs. At one point in time, they were 104 in 8.2 overs for zero wickets.
wickets.
Yeah.
They lost the match from there, मेरे भाई. And you know what else I'm scared about? I'm not scared. What I appreciate Sri Lanka for. Did you see their coaching lineup? Their coaching lineup, Sanat Jayasuriya is their head coach, right? Their fielding coach is Sridhar from India. Their batting coach is Vikram Rathod
Oh.
from India, and both have done exceptionally
Yeah, they
well
really
in the
have.
Indian setup as well.
Yeah.
As a person who's playing cricket, right? How much of a you also know cricket. अब विराट कोहली को कोई जाके क्या बैटिंग सिखा देगा? But ये जो support staff है, how does that help in a team's performance?
And the people that you mentioned, they have also won the last World Cup with India.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
So they know exactly what to do.
Yeah.
They know exactly what to do. उनको पता है, you know, like you said, विराट कोहली को कौन जाके बताएगा? And same Sri Lankan players are almost big names. कौन जाके क्या बताए? They know themselves क्या करना है. The only thing that they do is fine tuning चीज़ें and mentality. कोई ना आपको technique पे काम नहीं करवाता. They only talk about mental aspect, which is what we as normal people don't know much. But
Yeah.
the mental thing is what changes the game completely. So no, it's very simple. I think so. India will take it very easy. उनको पता है. They have actually figured their things out. That is why I think so. You were talking about it recently. कि India in the past 29 World Cup games, they've lost only one.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
That plays a major role. And if the same thing is being told to other team that India has lost only one, उनके दिमाग में भी चलेगा कि they have not lost anything. So they do not have that fear of losing.
Yeah.
Because if they don't just win, so the margin of win is huge.
Huge. Yes.
Yeah.
61 runs
Yeah.
against Pakistan,
No, absolutely.
93 against Namibia. Largest, I think, biggest victory margin. Right?
Yeah. See, let's say Pakistan qualifies for the Super 8. Right. Let's talk about Pakistan right now. I want to focus on what their strategy could be. मेरे को लग रहा है पाकिस्तान Super 8 में तो आएगा. I feel Namibia से तो नहीं हारेगा. But अगर qualify हो जाता है, what is the strategy that they should start thinking now? Because they're down. They've got nothing to lose again.
The past matches में जो that I have noticed, the only thing that they need to do is focus on the batting.
Yeah. Bowling चल रही होगी.
Bowling is going absolutely. You see Saim Ayub, वो wicket ले रहा है. He's become
Correct.
a bowler now, but he was always a batter.
Yeah.
So he's doing well. Bowling में they do not have a problem. It's just the batting aspect. If they manage to score something around 170, 180, they have their bowling. You know, एक bowler का bad दिन हो गया. You know,
बहुत है उनको.
exactly.
But
Correct.
so strategically also they need to rethink, right? Like in the India game they won the toss and they chose to bowl first, which was a bad move.
Was it? I thought that was the good move.
a
That was
bad
the
move.
best
I
move.
understand the logic behind it, but a lot of people are like, why would you, when you're bowling is your strength, why would you bowl
I do.
first?
Absolutely.
But fair enough.
Because you see, it's only Ishan Kishan that actually took the game away. In case India was 30 or 40 in the first 6 overs, uske baad the way they were bowling, India wouldn't have managed. And they also got runs in the last couple of overs.
Okay.
They would have ended up with 150. And 150 is not a huge target.
Yeah.
But not bad on that wicket also.
Not bad, especially in the second innings when the ball was not doing a lot. Jitna it was. But again, credit goes to Bumrah and Hardik.
Oh my God.
The way first 2 overs, you are 13 for 2, 3. That's a game done.
That first wicket.
Hardik ka aura. And I'm not even joking. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I have a... So by the way, I'm going to break this news on this show that I know that Hardik के ऊपर एक movie बन रही है.
Okay.
There's a proper full-on biopic coming on Hardik. and I feel his aura is his energy is something else. He doesn't care, bro. वो wicket जो उसने लिया,
Amazing.
ठीक है, देखा तक नहीं बॉल कहाँ जा रही है. He got angry on the field. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता लोग उसके बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं. And that's the energy. And I'm talking about, you can look at Hardik right now from the stands and you can feel the aura he has. It's absolute. I'm a big Hardik Pandya fan, man.
Yeah, but that anger also, it's coming from such an interesting place. Like, you already have practically won the match at that point.
Yeah.
You're still angry about that drop catch. You know that there's no chance that they can win 2 drop catches.
But it's
you're
about the
still angry.
standards of the team.
This,
right?
is, this is why India is different to all the teams. This is what makes them one step higher.
100 नहीं बनाने देना था.
Bro.
I think that's what the attitude is.
And
Don't let them score 100.
I'll tell you why another reason India is different from other teams right now. So the match is finished, right? And I'm in the hospitality box. मैं बैठा हूँ, मैं अपने ऐसे ही अपने काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm doing my social media. I'm doing my videos, right? सब चले गए. And I'm talking about सब चले गए. Even the staff is gone. सिर्फ वो cleaners वहाँ पे clean कर रहे हैं. And I'm sitting alone in that box. I look in the ground. What's happening? The presentation ceremony is done. क्या हो रहा है मालूम है? Players भी नहीं. Hardik Pandya and Shivam Dube are still bowling. There's a plastic stump there. There's a guy with their baseball, the mitt, right? And Hardik Pandya is still bowling.
Yeah.
Everybody's gone. The team has changed. सब लोग अपना change करके आ रहे हैं. Hardik Pandya, Shivam Dube फिर भी लगे हुए हैं. Why, as a bowler, why are you doing that?
I mean, talking about Hardik Pandya, the way he is bowled, he was not supposed to do anything uske baad. He could have just packed up and
Correct.
gone home. But maybe ek aadhi cheeze that he wanted to correct. He wanted to fix it, and then he's like, "Aaj mujhe ye kaam karna hai." Maybe it did not work out in the game exactly. Although he bowled amazing, pehla over maiden.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Wicket made it.
Wicket maiden, exactly. I'm not gonna lie, but I was little bit disappointed. I wanted Sahibzada to play Bumrah, and then
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Then part 2 of that docu-series they could have made after that.
It's crazy how much hard work. You know, nobody talks about this. Everybody talks
Behind
about the
the scene.
flamboyance of Hardik Pandya, ये घड़ी, वो घड़ी. Nobody talks about कि जब सब चले गए.
नहीं.
भाई cleaners चले गए थे वहाँ से यार. He was still bowling on that pitch. How crazy
Hardik
is
Pandya's
that?
redemption story is still going on.
Yeah.
Right from Mumbai Indians 2024, I think. You know, it's still going on after the 24 World Cup, which happened after the IPL.
After the IPL.
And his redemption story is still continuing. Oh, he's become a don now. He's-
Name a
he's
better
gone to a different
all-rounder
level.
right now in the cricket.
Absolutely.
No.
Bowling, I was disappointed when he came and first ball में उसने मारा, caught out, but then पहले over में wicket made it, dude.
Yeah.
How do you do that every single time?
Yeah, true.
Mentality. That's
Mentality,
all,
right?
That's all mentality.
And that thing that you're talking about, him going back to bowl, I feel like these guys, they don't want to have a single error in their
Excuse,
approach.
yeah.
They just don't have any errors in the way that they're playing. Any mistakes, any chink in the armor, any weaknesses, they don't want that at all. If anything is exposed, the first thing they're doing is fixing it. First thing. That is the mentality of Team India.
This reminds me actually of Steve Smith, a story about Steve Smith, how Australia and how he is such a great player. So he carries almost 20 pairs of gloves in his bag. The reason asked for it is like he told everyone that I do not want to give an excuse that my hands were or my gloves were wet if I get out.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So
That's
they
the
are-
level of cricket.
They are that true to themselves. You know, they do not want to give any kind of excuse कि इसकी वजह से out हुआ because of that. No. If he gets out, it's all because of him and he wants to own up to that mistake.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
Now
That's
again,
when
coming
you're
back to
playing
that last over, right? I watched it from the stands. I'm like, what happened? So सबसे पहले Ishan Kishan dropped the catch, right?
Yeah.
Last over, Ishan Kishan is playing. He dropped the catch, no problem. The ball was off the glove. Hardik Pandya told Ishan Kishan off. उसके बाद में the ball went off to long off, right? Long off पे कुलदीप यादव dropped it. हार्दिक पांड्या ने पहले ईशान किशन को गाली दी कि अगर तू कैच नहीं छोड़ता तो ये नहीं होता. एंड देन कुलदीप यादव को गाली दी कि भाई तूने कैच कैसे छोड़ दिया. बट देयर इज नो वे दे विनिंग फ्रॉम हियर, राइट? द स्टैंडर्ड्स.
Yeah.
एंड देन कुलदीप यादव came and then that Sky thing happened. Sky also told Kuldeep Yadav off.
Yeah.
But how brilliantly they handled it again,
Yeah.
man. They handled it. Now you go and check Instagram of Surya Kumar Yadav.
He's still upset.
He's still upset.
He's
Cute.
still upset. But it's I mean, this is the thing with drop catches are, you know, normal, they happen. I felt that Kuldeep, I don't know why, I almost felt like he helped the ball over the fence instead of actually catching it. But yeah, they happen. And it was not the first drop catch of the game. Even Tilak dropped one earlier. You know, and that was a tough
Cotton
chance.
ball,
That was a really
The cotton,
not the even the running behind. I
yeah,
think
that's
of-
cotton ball.
Cotton ball. Yes, yes, cotton ball.
Very
Yeah,
tough
right.
one. High
Yeah,
ball
very tough catch.
Went really high and it was.
Yeah.
It's been so when
Yeah.
you bowl, you're into your run up. तो वहाँ
Correct.
से पीछे मुड़ के जाना and running back
Running behind
catches
is
running
always
behind
catches,
because you have
yeah.
to look over your head.
True.
If you have to decide left side में turn करना है or towards the right, because these things matter when we practice. The ball if it is towards your left side, तो
Yeah.
आपको left side में turn करना है. But then when you're bowling, you do not have that idea कि ball कहाँ पे जा रही है. To run back and then it's always a difficult.
It's
Yes.
beautiful,
Amazing.
man. Now, swiftly moving on to our next segment, मैं आपको ना कुछ clips दिखाऊंगा. We'll just react to those clips and those videos on Stars Play. Stars Play replay. Now, Stars Play is the official broadcaster for the ICC T20 Men's World Cup. Barasti is the official fan zone. So if you're watching, you want to watch these matches live, come here. Hang out with your friends. It's going to be a great place. You were here for Barasti's India versus Pakistan screening, right?
Yes, so they had the Holi celebration, yeah,
Correct.
and it was what a vibe, amazing. You had screens here, down there. I was definitely enjoying. The vibe was just different.
That's the fan zone, man.
Fans on.
Yeah, that's the Stars Play fan
Fan
zone.
zone का vibe एकदम अलग होता है. Well, I was in the stadium, right? Pakistan prepared. मेरे को लगा 3-4 दिन से they were talking about Abhishek Sharma. Ishan Kishan came out of syllabus, bro. Ishan Kishan, when we were scared when Abhishek Sharma got out, and that too to Salman Agha, man. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था Salman Agha bowling डालेगा. वो भी पहला over. That to these two lefties who were hitting probably every ball out of the park. Ishan Kishan literally saved us the day. We're not talking about that enough, guys.
Yeah, he's the only batsman on the day across both teams to have read the conditions and understood the conditions properly and just got used to it and hit the ball everywhere.
One of the main reasons because he's played domestic, and domestic पे again
Yeah,
pitches ऐसे ही रहे.
Yeah.
Very different pitches, very difficult pitches compared to international. I would say domestic खेलना is more difficult compared to international, especially in India, because India में you have varieties. The players इतने बढ़िया हैं, and the pitches are different. Different parts of India have different pitches.
Correct.
तो वहाँ पे खेल के and international is very flat tracks.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
they want money.
Money and
They want to
runs.
see the
Exactly, runs. So I think so when you play इतने अच्छे domestic, you are bound to play beautiful in international.
Let's
Yeah.
watch his innings.
Yeah.
Play की जाए भाई.
First ball.
Imagine एक पे एक है. मैं जिंदगी में कभी मैं तो would you ever play this shot as a
अरे,
batsman?
absolutely.
One down.
This is
Lovely
what
shot.
sets him different. He backs his shot, both him and Abhishek Sharma.
I think
ये
it's
शॉट पे भाई. मुझे लगा कैच है.
superb.
मेरे को लगा कैच है. फील्डर अंदर था लेके.
There was a mistake to bowl Shahi in that second over, I think.
There's another. It's actually miss it, huh? Miss it.
Yeah,
चौके
he
चौके
didn't
छक्के
time
जा
it
रहे थे.
correctly. This was not a
Hey,
miss. This was a
what a
superb shot.
God.
Amazing shot. Look
They
at
were
that.
showing क्या बोलते हैं some stats of the
हाँ,
game. So
हाँ.
you have balls on your leg stump, middle stump,
Correct.
and then off stump, and then outside off.
Correct.
So they had percentage या run rate
think-
on those balls, strike
हाँ.
rate on those balls.
हाँ.
Then मैंने देखा the balls on the leg side were at a strike rate of 270
For Ishan Kishan.
for Ishan Kishan.
क्या लंबे लंबे छक्के मारता है भाई.
I think this was my favorite shot of his. Superb. Just guided it to third man.
मैं ना I was really looking forward to Usman Tariq का matchup against Ishan Kishan. I was, but Usman Tariq को bowling ही नहीं दिया 10
बाद
ओवर
में
तक यार.
बहुत बाद में.
बहुत late हो गया ना. So
I was actually
Just
waiting for
great
them to
innings.
bowl Fahim.
Yeah, correct.
yeah,
Fahim, especially in the finals of Asia Cup, he bowled exceptionally well. So I was waiting for that matchup.
Man, I think who's going to be the first centurion from India in the T20 World Cup?
I still feel it is going to be
Ishan?
Ishan Kishan. Yeah.
Oh my.
I was
Abhishek
waiting.
needs to get some runs. He has not scored even one run in the.
अभिषेक
in the
मेरे को पता है
T20.
उसके टीम पे कुछ ना कुछ
Yeah,
करेगा,
कर
but first
देगा.
centurion because I feel every time very bad for Ishan Kishan क्योंकि 70s में भी वो पागलों की तरह
Yeah,
खेलता है. He doesn't go defensive
He
at all.
scored 70 in less than 10 overs.
Correct.
अगर वो खेलता, he would have scored easily 150 plus.
Correct.
Yeah,
Look, this is my favorite.
lovely shot.
Unexpected. Exactly.
Oh my god.
दो बार मारा ना इसने. एक one I think he fell.
Oh. Was that him or was that
Tilak, I think.
Tilak?
I think
Oh,
so.
it was Tilak. It was
okay,
Tilak.
okay.
That's
Alright.
Ishan
Amazing.
Kishan's inning on Stars Play Replay. Our next is going to be
A very, very interesting one. Tilak Verma. He bowled an over, a few overs actually. I think he bowled 2 overs, I think. And he got a wicket of the first ball, of the first over that he ever bowled in a World Cup. In a World Cup match. And he joined a very elite list of bowlers in that very unique record that he got by getting a wicket of the first ball. So, Tilak Verma is one guy who's got a wicket of the first ball that he's ever bowled in a T20 World Cup. There is one other bowler. You want to guess who that other bowler is?
सलमान आगा.
No.
अरे उसका पहला ओवर नहीं था ये वर्ल्ड कप में. सलमान
I
आगा.
think so. His first
No,
over.
Indian player. I don't know about Salman Aga.
Indian. No idea. रिंकू सिंह.
नहीं. Very, very interesting.
Hint दे. Give us a
Exactly.
hint.
वो खेल रहा है अभी.
Still playing, is it?
Yeah.
Like T20 playing in the
हाँ.
current team.
हाँ.
Bumrah
No.
in the 2016.
Arshdeep.
It's Arshdeep.
Arshdeep.
Oh, first over wonder.
First over.
First ball.
Yes, and guess which World Cup?
2022
Yes.
in Australia.
Yes.
Okay.
Who's the opponent?
Pakistan.
Who's the wicket?
Babar Azam.
Let's go.
Amazing. Yeah. So Arshdeep also first ever over that he bowled in a World Cup. He got a wicket of the first ball, and that was Babar Azam.
How do you
at
remember that?
MCG.
Because I know that Arshdeep started playing
Yeah.
recently in the past 4-5 years, and the first World Cup that he played was 2022.
Correct.
उससे पिछला वाला तो he was not part of the squad. So and that match was against Pakistan, and I did watch that match बहुत अच्छे से, especially though उससे पिछला वाला World Cup जो match हुआ था, उसके बाद I was like very focused on that game.
दुख था उस मैच का.
Amazing.
Let's
Can we play
play
that? Shadab
High up
Khan.
in the air. And एक तो रिंकू शिवम दुबे क्या
जगह.
गन फील्डर्स है भाई.
Everywhere.
है ना?
Everywhere.
Shivam Dubey got the fielding medal also, no?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm
First
telling
again.
you, Rinku is भाई मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा. On TV I don't know how it looks, but in real life it
Very
looks like tuck 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 tuck.
Very
He's
fast.
very
Yeah.
fast.
Very fast.
है ना?
Really. Safe
And
hands
safe
also.
hands. Safe hands.
Yeah.
Great catching by Indian cricket.
Yes.
Of course. Let's move on to our next clip, which is going to be
This absolute screamer, which was taken by Patum Nissanka.
this is where
Absolute
his okay. I saw. Hold on. Don't play it right now. I saw a picture. ठीक है? जहाँ पे there's a picture of him just catching the ball and the batsman getting out.
Okay.
They're at eye level right now because वो lens की वजह से ऐसा लग रहा है that guy is flying
In the air.
over the batter.
Yeah.
Look at that catch, and this is after this catch he got the confidence to go and
Score.
absolutely demolish
The
Australia.
Aussie bowling lineup.
Crazy. Let's play that catch.
Ooh.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
Reverse sweep मारा भाई.
And that though of Maxwell.
Correct.
Maxwell. Yeah.
Let's play. I hope we have the side angle. Yeah,
Yeah.
I hope we have the side angle. Let's go. Look at both the feet. तुम्हारी तो.
Unbelievable.
Oh my god.
I love these catches, yeah. This one, the Munyonga catch as well.
Hands down the
Australia
best
game.
catch in this World Cup.
The best catch. The best catch.
Australia have fallen victim to some stunning catches this tournament.
Brian Bennett as well.
Yep.
That was a beautiful
Yep.
catch.
Yeah.
Yep. Man, and you couldn't hear anything when I was watching the match. Sri Lankan crowd was so loud.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
The last one.
This is his innings, Nissanka. What a knock, yeah.
I still remember the innings he played against India in the Asia Cup.
Yep.
Almost
Yep.
took away the
Yep.
game.
Yeah.
And
Almost.
this guy is consistently doing well,
Doing
right?
well. Even now in ILT20
Yep.
for Gulf Giants, he played amazing.
And you played for Gulf Giants as well, right?
Gulf Giants.
Tell me his mentality.
I couldn't play with him, but then the times I've seen him play, the way he is, I went to netball as well. I was seeing him in the practice, focused. He wants the coaches, so you have throw downs. या आपके पास coach होते हैं, who are
Correct.
throwing the ball at you,
Correct.
and the bowlers. He will select certain set of guys, and he wants them to feed him exactly what he like पूरा match prep.
Oh wow.
He wants to play 10 minutes on one shot, 10 minutes on one shot.
Oh really? And do you get like scenarios कि यार 10 में 12 रन चाहिए?
He makes it up himself.
Really?
The coaches ask him, "Do you have any plans?" Like, "No, I'm just putting in my head, and I'll play accordingly."
Yeah, I always wondered, you you see these guys, they're clocking 135, 140, 150, some bowlers. I've gone to the nets and the bowling machine is shot the
Rapid.
ball out at
Correct.
Rapid.
मुझे तो 110 में ही मेरी तो पड़ जाती है यार. I don't know how 120, 130 out of
Bowling
the
machine में doesn't give you reaction time.
That is the
Yeah,
thing. Because
that-
when you're
that's
watching a fast
unbelievable.
bowler, when you're playing a bowler, actually, you wait for him to deliver the ball.
Yeah.
Bowling machine, the coach just
just
throws the ball
sudden.
and they just come suddenly.
Yeah.
So I think so. It is a good practice. You can have
Yeah.
faster reaction, but then
But it's faster even on the throwdowns, no?
Even on the
because
throwdowns,
the throwdowns is even faster than the machine.
How
It's-
fast do you bowl?
not with the quickest of bowlers. I bowl around early 130s, and
Still fast.
yeah.
That's fast.
Still fast.
That's
Very fast. Why don't we in the next episode we call you in the Barasti fan zone? We set up a net and we make you
Oh.
face him.
Me? Why?
Bounces. I actually in ILT20 last match I faced the West Indian bowler man.
उसके बाद स्टार्स प्ले को बोलो दूसरा होस्ट लेकर निकले.
Sheldon Cottrell.
Cottrell, yeah.
Dude,
Ooh.
and so this is content I was creating for them, and I'm fully trash talking with him. I'm like, क्या करेगा मैं 4 साल बाद तो बैट पकड़ा है. The first ball he bowls is a bouncer.
Good. I remember. So the first season ILT20, we had a practice game just before the tournament started. It was against Desert Vipers, and the coach is like, "Chalo, practice matches. So I'll give you some practice as well. Go and show us what you can do."
Correct.
So I think so. I went down 8 number पे गया था, and then we had 3 more overs left. 1 over was of Sheldon Cottrell,
Oh my
and
god.
from the other side we had the fast bowler from England, Tamal Mills.
Okay.
The fun fact about Tamal Mills, he is rapid.
And bounces.
Yeah.
And then he is tall,
Yeah.
and then he runs from behind 30 yard circle.
Oh my god. इतना लंबा run up.
इतना लंबा रन.
यार थक नहीं जाते क्या? Like, do they not
I
get
think so.
tired?
That was one of the fastest ball that I ever faced was of Tamal Mills. पहला बॉल पे क्या हुआ? He had the fielder up. So like UAE का player है, क्या पता, you know, 8 विकेट गए हुए हैं, क्या मार देगा? He bowled him आगे डाल दिया ball, and I hit him a 4 of 4. And then he gave
That's
me
the worst thing you could do, bro.
I can bat.
You can bat.
I can
of course.
bat.
You can bat. Of
I
course.
can bat decent
Yeah.
well. I
Yeah.
scored runs against Ireland, and then under 19 maybe I've scored runs. Next ball, so as soon as I hit the 4, he gave me that stare, and then he gave me that smile. I knew.
Oh
Oh.
no.
And
You
I-
expect a bouncer now.
Promised. I did not see the next ball. I could hear the ball go past my ears.
Was it a bouncer?
It was a bouncer,
Of course.
and it was not a bouncer. आगे से ball उठ के आया.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
So that shows that he was pissed off,
Yeah.
and it was
Oh
just
my
quick.
god.
I
It
would have
was
been.
quick.
Bro, I faced Sheldon Cottrell. He in the nets was like, यॉर्कर वॉकर डाल रहा है. मैं कहा मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ, मैं कंटेंट के लिए शूट कर रहा हूँ. गोली मारेगा क्या? As a fast bowler, the mentality and the angling,
Yeah.
the
Absolutely.
anger comes so quickly, man.
Yeah.
That
true.
is what sets you apart from
Yeah.
fast bowler. Needs to be गुस्से वाला. You cannot be all that lovey-dovey nice person. No.
Yeah, man,
इसने
imagine-
मेरे को मार कैसे दिया?
हाँ.
How can you do that?
Mentality.
And you imagine Bumrah, Mitchell Stark, and all these guys coming at you. Oh. Never.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the end of our episode number 4 Off the Mark. Thank you so very much, Sanchit. It is very, very appreciated, mere bhai.
Thank you so much.
Wish.
Thank you, Sanchit. Really appreciate it.
My
Thank
name
you.
is Parikshit. We'll see you in the episode number 5 very, very soon. Keep watching Off the Mark and keep watching the official Stars Play app to watch the ICC T20 Men's World Cup.